distinguished guests, partners, colleagues, good morning. I think is it afternoon already? It is afternoon, you're right. Good afternoon. I think for me, I wanted to start off with a saying that, an African saying that I found along my readings that says, if you want to go fast, travel alone. If you want to go far, you need to travel together, isn't it? So even as I begin this conversation on strategic partnership, I just want us to really think about the strategic partnerships that we want to form or continue being with as we walk this journey as business. Today I'm inspired by the very rich, diverse representation we have from different sectors gathered together here. From the financial sector, corporates, industry bodies, NGOs, and government bodies. This indeed aligns well with the topic of partnerships and strong ecosystems that I have been asked to speak about in this forum today. As you have heard from the different speakers since morning, the payments landscape is without a doubt undergoing rapid transformations with new business models and technologies entering the space. Indeed, today, more than ever, customers, businesses are demanding simplicity, convenience, compatibility, and versatility in how they transact. Easier, faster, better. In essence, what customers and consumers are looking for is superior experience. The topic of sustainable payment solutions in the context of technology is essentially and especially important given that Africa has the highest rates of financial exclusion globally. It is estimated that the formerly unbanked and underbanked population reaches as high as 86% in some countries, despite the fact that having access to convenient and appropriate financial services gives people more opportunities to achieve their economic goals. In Kenya, despite deepening financial inclusions through mobile banking, a fintech access study shows that 17% Kenyan adults remain fully excluded, meaning they do not have a bank account, use another formal product like mobile banking, or even use an informal mechanism like savings collectives. Today, thanks to mobile money platforms, digital banking is unlocking opportunities for the millions of digitally connected Africans who remain formally unbanked but are economically active. Distinguished guests, allow me to turn my attention to what we are rightfully labeling as the Africa's promise and potential, i.e., the continent's youthful, tech-savvy population. According to estimates, 60% of Africa's population, estimated at 1.4 billion, is under the age of 25, making Africa the youngest or the world's youngest continent in terms of population composition. This distinct demographic feature is regarded as a catalyst for creating a significant consumption market in the coming decades. These young people are driving the tech revolution in Africa. On our part as Absa Bank, we have been actively working to improve access to affordable financial services by utilizing our alternative channels to increase consumer access to financial services. The Timiza virtual banking platform, for example, provides access to financial services for small business owners who are previously excluded from formal financial services. The platform, which has reached nearly 5 million users since launch, is an example of how technology can help achieve financial inclusion by providing a low-cost, secure finance or source to populations that previously could not access formal financial services such as borrowing, savings, insurance, and payments. Ladies and gentlemen, now turning to the role of partnerships in creating sustainable payments ecosystem, which I believe is an important lens through which all of us in the room should consider. Today I stand before you just as someone in the financial sector, but as a proponent of collaboration, strategic partnerships that paves the way for sustainable growth and progress. In the realm of payment solutions, the power of collaboration cannot be underestimated. It is through partnerships that we can harness the collective expertise, resources, and insights necessary to address the complex challenges facing the travel industries. In my view, the payment system and the broader economy are most efficient and effective when there is broad participation, when unnecessary frictions are minimized, and when banks and payment players, especially smaller financial institutions, can provide services to meet consumer demand in a safe and sound manner. As the adage goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with others. In the same breath, partnerships bring together a diverse array of expertise, uniting financial institutions, technology firms, regulatory bodies, and beyond. Each institution contributes unique insights and capabilities, enriching the ecosystem and fortifying its foundations. I think for me, ladies and gentlemen, as I pause there, the important part in this conversation is really having those conversations that can unlock the issues that we have as industry partners. It is through collaboration that we can unleash the power of innovation and technology, and by joining forces with tech pioneers, we harness cutting-edge solutions such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things to elevate security, efficiency, and user experience within our payment systems. But partnerships offer more than just technological prowess. They provide a gateway to new markets and customer segments, ensuring that no one is left behind in the digital revolution. Whether it is reaching underserved communities or catering niche demographics, partnerships enable us to extend our reach and impact far beyond traditional boundaries. In ABSA, we firmly believe in the power of collaboration and the potential it holds to unlock new opportunities. As we navigate the intricate landscape of global payments, the spirit of partnership becomes pivotal. It is through collaborative efforts and shared visions that we can leverage each other's strengths, expertise, resources, and drive meaningful progress. In this regard, I urge each of you to embrace collaborative mindset. Let us recognize that no single entity possesses all the answers. By coming together, banks, fintech firms, travel agents, and policymakers, we can co-create innovative solutions that drive positive change and enhance the overall travel experience. In closing, I'd like to mention that everything we do in payments ecosystem must have a larger purpose. Yes, there is money to be made, costs to be cut, opportunities to be seized, but more importantly, the solutions we discuss here today must do at least one of four things. They must be about solving real-world problems, about improving people's lives, about promoting a more inclusive society, and about securing a sustainable platform for the future. I believe together we can build a more resilient, efficient, and equitable payments ecosystem, one that empowers the travelers, strengthens businesses, and enriches communities. Thank you very much for the opportunity to share, and I'm really looking forward to forming stronger relationships with each and every one of you. Thank you.